Welcome to my channel. Today, we are exploring the vast depths of our oceans to uncover the secrets of some of the most magnificent creatures that have ever existed. The whales. These gentle giants have captured the human imagination for centuries, and for good reason. Their sheer size, grace, and intelligence is truly awe-inspiring. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to discover the incredible lives of these majestic animals. From their fascinating adaptations to their vital role in the marine ecosystem, we'll explore everything that makes whales such extraordinary creatures. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be amazed by the wonders of the whale. One of the most impressive things about whales is their sheer size. The largest animal that has ever lived on Earth is the blue whale, which can grow up to 30 meters long and weigh over 190 tons. That's longer than a school bus and heavier than 33 elephants. Just imagine the colossal shadow it casts as it glides through the ocean depths, but don't be fooled by their massive size. Whales are incredibly graceful and agile animals. They are perfectly adapted for life in the water, with streamlined bodies that allow them to move through the water with ease. Their powerful tails propel them forward, while their flippers steer and balance them as they swim. And despite their immense weight, they are surprisingly fast, capable of reaching speeds of up to 46 kilometers per hour. Another amazing thing about whales is their ability to hold their breath for extended periods of time. You see, whales don't breathe through lungs like humans do. Instead, they have a special adaptation that allows them to extract oxygen from the air and store it in their blood and muscles. This means they can stay underwater for hours without needing to surface to breathe. Some species of whales, like the sperm whale, can dive to depths of up to 3,000 meters and stay there for over an hour. That's deeper than the height of the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. But how do whales sleep if they need to surface to breathe? Well, it turns out they have a clever solution for that, too. Whales can fall into a state called unihemispheric slow wave sleep, where only one half of their brain sleeps at a time. This allows them to keep one eye open and one side of their body above the water to ensure they can continue breathing. Talk about a unique way to catch some shut-eye. Whales also have some pretty impressive vocal abilities. They use a variety of sounds to communicate with each other over long distances, such as during mating season or when mothers are searching for their calves. Whale songs can travel for miles underwater and are a crucial part of their mating rituals. Male humpback whales, for example, sing complex songs that can last for hours to attract a mate. And the songs of different populations of humpback whales can vary significantly, suggesting that whales develop unique dialects. But it's not just their size and adaptations that make whales so remarkable. They are also highly intelligent creatures with complex emotions and social structures. Whales have large brains that are second only to humans in terms of size and complexity. They are highly social animals who live in pods and have strong bonds with their fellow whales. They communicate with each other using a variety of sounds and gestures and have been observed mourning their dead. To understand the importance of whales in the marine ecosystem, let's talk about their diet. Baleen whales, such as the humpback whale, have baleen plates that hang from their upper jaws and are made up of a network of tiny hair-like structures called cilia. These baleen plates act like a screen that filters out krill and other small fish for the whale to eat. The cilia create a tangled web that catches food as the whale takes in water, which is then forced through the tangled mess by the whale's tongue, trapping even more prey. The trapped food is then swallowed by the whale. On the other hand, toothed whales such as dolphins and porpoises have teeth that they use to catch their prey. These teeth are sharp and pointed, perfect for catching and holding onto slippery fish. Dolphins, for example, use their teeth to create a suction effect when they suck in prey. This allows them to capture fish even in murky waters where they can't rely on their eyesight. Now, whales play a vital role in maintaining the balance of the marine ecosystem. As apex predators, they help regulate the populations of their prey and ensure that no one species dominates the ecosystem. In addition, whale poop, also known as whale fall, is a rich source of nutrients that support the growth of phytoplankton and other marine life. When whales die, their bodies sink to the ocean floor and provide a habitat and food source for a variety of deep-sea creatures. In fact, whale fall has been found to support entire ecosystems of scavengers and decomposers. Unfortunately, whales face numerous threats, including entanglement in fishing gear, ship strikes, and climate change. As ocean temperatures rise, the availability of food for whales is changing, forcing them to travel further in search of sustenance. This can lead to increased rates of starvation and strandings, which occur when whales become trapped on land. Climate change also contributes to the destruction of the Arctic sea ice, which is critical habitat for many species of whales. However, there is hope for these magnificent creatures. Thanks to the efforts of conservation organizations and individuals around the world, many species of whales have been brought back from the brink of extinction. The banning of whaling and the implementation of measures to protect marine habitats have helped create a brighter future for whales. There are several ways that you can help protect whales and other marine life. One way to help is by reducing your carbon footprint. As I mentioned earlier, climate change is a significant threat to whales and other marine creatures. By reducing your consumption of fossil fuels, you can help mitigate the effects of climate change and protect the delicate balance of the marine ecosystem. Another way you can help is by supporting organizations that are dedicated to whale conservation. Many groups are working to protect whales and their habitat through research, education, and advocacy. You can really help the whales by making a gesture for the environment, by raising awareness among humans to protect nature. It makes a big difference. Finally, spread awareness about the plight of whales and the importance of protecting them. Educate your friends and family about the threats whales face and the steps they can take to help. You can also support businesses that are committed to sustainable practices and reducing their impact on the environment. By taking these steps, you can help ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to grace our oceans for generations to come. As we conclude our journey into the world of whales, we hope you've learned how truly amazing these creatures are. Their size, grace, intelligence, and adaptations are all a testament to the incredible power of nature. But it's also important to remember that whales are facing serious threats that could impact their survival. By taking action to protect whales and their habitat, we can ensure that future generations will have the opportunity to marvel at these magnificent creatures, just as we have. So what are your thoughts on whales? Did you learn something new, or perhaps you have a personal experience with these magnificent creatures that you'd like to share? We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content about the natural world. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.